Okay, after the bar comes out of here, this bar here, this plastic thing is really in the way, so I'm trying to remove it. And if you look in here, it connects right here, and on the other side, same way. I just use needle nose pliers to break it loose. So I'm going to try to get this plastic thing out the way. In the best video I've seen for this, the mechanic didn't explain how he got this piece out. So I just got bungee cords on it, holding it out the way until I get it removed the rest of the way. I think there's a couple other clips on the inside here that I'm going to have to get it loose from, but I just wanted to show you guys that the way that it's connected here. It's just connected two plastic pieces